Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. Let's take a look at the euro currency once again. Sorry for delay, I just am traveling right now, so not every time I could be right in the usual time with the computer, so some delay sometimes could happen, but this will last only until this week. So next week I will be in an office, so everything will return back to our usual schedule. So from your comments, I understand that you are not very comfortable to dealing with the futures price. So I have really got this on the quotes on the trading view. I think that it should be okay. So in general, it seems that I have come right in time for discussion of some updates to our trading plan. You can see that once again the external factor has made an impact on our trading scenario, as you probably heard about the Italian initiative that they have put additional tax on the banking sector on the excess earnings of the banks, which actually crushed the banking sector shares, as we talked about in the Telegram. So additionally, you probably also heard on the Moody's decision recently that they have then downgraded or put under the downgrading a lot of United States banks, and all this together has make an impact not only on the stock markets but on the forex as well, just showing that the crisis stands on the way and actually has triggered the demand for the dollar, which has led to the intraday collapse on the euro currency. So everything was really good until this news have been released, especially from the Italy. Now the situation on the short-term charts could change significantly. It's just because the pattern that we initially were considering might not work, or at least it right now looks significantly weaker than it was before. So on the daily chart, despite all this stuff, we do not have any big changes. In fact, market has the bearish trend by the MACD, stands right now at the Fib level, and as we have thought, it should be some more extended upward bounce, but currently chances are becoming greater that it might be just downside continuation. And here's why. On the 4-hour time frame chart, nearest time we could get the bearish grabber. The candle is not closed yet, but for the few hours, just keep an eye on it, whether we'll get the grabber here or not. This is first moment. Second, if you take a look at performance on the hourly chart, you could see really fast acceleration. And here, market has completed A, B, C, D pattern, but here was too fast actions, very fast, and this is bad sign for bullish reversal pattern, which is actually head and shoulders. Besides, you could see that market totally erased this nicely looking upward rally. This is also bad sign. Now, yes, we see some rebound, this market is moving higher, completing the OP, and I could show you, and here is the bullish grabber that is forming right there. But this performance looks a bit heavy. This is not the type of action that we prefer to see in the final stage of the hand and shoulders. Usually we would like to get this one, but we do not have it. That's why in the current situation I would wait a bit for the decision making on the long position. I wouldn't take it right now, because I need more confirmation that market could overcome this recent sell-off, could take this external factor and still reestablish upward action. Currently it's not the fact yet. Speaking about the short position, well, yes, market currently looks so that chances on a downward continuation, as I said in the beginning of the video, and taking out of these lows looks better. But the question is whether we take the position. So if you still would like to do this, first it's better to watch for a grabber. It should be formed. Once you will get it, you could try maybe to take the position, but your stop has to be above the 1618 extension, above this actually previous stop. So if market indeed will turn down, it should not form bullish reversal swing and move back above the stop, and that's why your initial stop has to be here. That's actually what I would like to say. So in general, for both directions, currently situation tends to be tricky because it always happens when the market first is trying to form the bullish pattern, but then something suddenly has been released, some external factor. This initial sentiment has been crushed, but market hasn't got currently the new direction, hasn't made a decision. So this type of action is a bit indecision. Well, and because of that, both directions is a bit not very comfortable to take right now, but it's not really forbidden. So if you would like to try to ride on this grabber, if it will be confirmed, well, you could try to do this. If not, if it will not be confirmed, you will have to wait for XOP around 110 area, and we do not want to get this type of action. So it should be something like that, very gradual, slow, and in this case we will see what will happen around this area, whether it will be this will make sense to take the short position, consider taking short position. That in 2 words, that could be done currently.